Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, Debbie's ready, Karina's ready, Danny, yeah, he'll be there. Telegraph Track. Day, Tuesday, I think it's Tuesday, I think we are. Better put some fuel on, that's why the bike's revving. So start of the Telegraph Track. This is Bramwell station, Bramwell Junction. Bypass road is up that way to the right there. And then here we are. Here, Bramwell Junction. Fuel's a couple of dollars a litre. Some of the boys we were chatting to last night who've just finished. They're heading south. Big Tenaire there. Watched some video footage of him last night on that thing. Here's Karina. And this is Old Telegraph Track. So, it's the first time we've done this. Karina's first dirt bike ever, her DR650. As you're aware, I don't plan on getting hurt at all. From what we understand, the creeks are fairly dry. There's not a lot of water in any of the creeks and stuff, so I try and vlog most of this. I got the tyres down to about just over 10 pounds of front and rear on both bikes, so so far update on the bikes. Both bikes have been running pretty good. It looks like the float on Karina's bike's starting to play up, so it's just flooding out a little bit. So we ditched some gear last night and put it in Danny's four-wheel drive, so see where Karina is. See how she goes. Good girl, yep. Bloody tool chair's been grinding out a little bit. You see parts of it there, obviously it's just so chopped up, so people have obviously pushed a new way through it. Yeah, doesn't look like anyone's used that for a while anyway. We'll see how we all go. I think the patrol's going to be a little ways behind us because there's no way they can probably hit this sort of stuff at even 40 kilometres an hour. Bloody tool tube, yeah. Huge anthills out here. Yeah, like I said, so bikes all in all have been pretty good. I think the float on Karina's is a little stuck open. It looks like it's flooding a little bit, so we're just gonna, when we get up to the Cape, possibly tonight, tomorrow I'll pull it down and check the float and give it a readjust. See how it looks. Yeah. I'm actually really looking forward to this. Really looking forward to it. Oh, looks like first crossing. That wasn't far in at all. Oh, there's not even any water in it now. There you go. Oh yeah, I've seen footage of that. It's got water in it. Yeah, I've seen heaps of video of this that's usually full of water. You see where they've been digging it out. Here she comes. We've seen this one. It's usually full of water. And they come splashing through there and boing out the other side. You see where they've been digging it up. But it's bone dry. So, yeah, you're all good? Did you got your comms on? Comms? See if we get connected.
Hello.
That's better. You right?
Yeah, pretty nervous, but I'm getting there.
Yeah. Just as you're crawling, if you see me bolt down a track, like before I bolted down the main one, there was a bit of a chicken track off to the left there. I should have gone down there. So, yeah, no. Yeah, so don't follow me, alright? So if I see me do something, it means I'm going in too hot, and I'm probably going the wrong way. If you see a chicken track, take it, eh? Yeah, okay, just I thought I'd better reiterate that before we, so, yeah. No, it's not that, it's your first time. So like here, there's the two, this is like the main part of the old one, but there's obviously that one around there, so, So just take your own line, and if it looks a bit easier, another spot, then take it. So, but that thing back there, that's the one we saw heaps of video of that. It's always full of water, and they splash in and usually winch out. But then there's the bypass. There's a little track around the other side. I don't know why you bother. You might as well go dig a hole in your backyard and drive your four-wheel drive into it and dig it out. I don't know why people drive all that way up here just to smash their cars into that thing. Anyway, so like just up here, there's a little thing to the right there that looks quite smooth, and then there's, for whatever reason, but it doesn't really matter actually, it's all smooth. So, yeah. Nice and soft. Tree. Well, obviously the four-wheel drives can't get under that one. I think Dandy's going to be a little way behind us too. So, yeah. I've also got the mic on, so I'm going to be vlogging as well, Bubby. So, yeah. So that's all right. So yeah, if anyone's interested in watching this, I'm talking to Karina right now through the centres. So we've got new centre headsets, front and back, so we can talk to one another. And looking at that first crossing, that was bone dry. We know there's water here because we saw the boys that we talked to yesterday that were back at Bramwell Junction. They've got video footage last night. They showed Karina and I. But it looks alright actually. It's quite reassuring that it's not as deep and as mucky as you'd think. So, yeah. Some more bloody big ant hills. Yeah. Yeah. So far so good. Just soft. Lucky I've gone for these soft, nice, bloody chunky tyres on the front. This would be a right pain in the ass right now with the with something a bit more road orientated. It's the sand, nice and slow. Gonna pull up, see where she's at. Here she comes. Not too far behind actually. Doing a good job. Yeah. So yeah, just tyres still working good. My Dunlop's wearing a little bit more than it should be. Carina's E09 on the back's been great. Cannot fault these bloody golden tyre front tyres. They've been good on the bitumen. I'm probably definitely going to stick with these even on the road. They're a little wobbly, but Jesus, they haven't been bad for how much traction you get through the bush and this sort of shit, compared to, you know, that bit of wobble you get on the road. It's such a, you know, good payoff. It's a, you know, whereas like those times when I was running the E09s on Carina's bike, you know, they're beautiful on the road for a knobby, and they're a good hard terrain tyre, but yeah, please do not fill it. The log's branched out, otherwise it causes no damage to vehicles. There you go. Not sure where we are. Everyone else was here doing the same thing. You there, Bubby? Crossing up here. I don't even know where we are. It's all... Yeah, it was all mud. It's just all mud down the bottom. Looks like through. Because it's lower. Yeah, it's just lair. That's fine. Leave it running. Yeah. Yeah, because yours is a bit lower, at least you got a bit more, you know, grounding. While we were there, went down and had a look. I was thinking I could crawl along the bank along the right there, up on the edge there, and then I could just let the bike slide down, maybe. Yeah. It's so boggy there. Where are we? Just a bit of a drop off on that side. Nah, fuck it. Yeah, might have to go right down to the middle there. Hey, can't. Sorry. Shit. There. Piece of piss. Diaz. Got this. What the? Alley-oop. Yeah, I gotta get my bike. Yeah, because this side's the best, eh? That's fucking a mine shaft. Yeah. It's actually quite stiff here. It's not like, it's quite hard. Yeah. Hey? What's that?
I'd love my arse.
I know. I'm surprised at how dry it is. All the videos, and that last one we passed before, that's got, these always got water in it too. Yeah, that's good there. Yeah, that's good. Straight. Yep. A little to the left. Yeah, straight. Yep, straight. Yep, that's good. Yeah, slowly left. Yep, straight. Yep, that's good. Straight. Straight. Yep, that's good. You're right. Straight. Okay. Left. Yep. That's it. You're in. Straight. Yep. You're good. You're right. Yep. They're just. Yeah. You're. Now, piece of cake. You're through. Plenty of clearance. Beautiful. Teamwork.
Good effort, Victor.
I think I'm right on mine. Yours is a bit of a pain in the ass because it's fucking breaking down, so I should be right with this thing. Just watch the other side. Is he? Lots of rear brake. Lots of rear brake. It's quite hard on the bottom, see? Woohoo! Woohoo! Easy peasy lemon squeezy! Hey! Seat paddle, seat paddle, seat paddle. Oh, fuck this one up. Come on! Come on! Come on!
Oh, with a flourish.
Come on, baby! Whoa! Woohoo! Yeah! Bitch, please! DRs forever! Go get your twin and do that! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah, that's awesome. Actually, it was harder on yours.
I think the gnarliest exit.